Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're taking a closer look at Cove Home Security, a rising name in the DIY home protection game that's getting a lot of attention in 2025. So if you're wondering whether it's worth your money and peace of mind, let's break it all down. Easy DIY installation. One of Cove's biggest strengths is its super simple setup. The system comes pre-configured, so once you unbox it, all you need to do is plug in the touchscreen control panel and follow the step-by-step on-screen instructions. No drilling, no wires, and definitely no professional needed. Equipment and features. Cove offers all the core devices you need: door and window sensors, motion detectors, flood sensors, smoke and CO detectors, and indoor cameras powered by UFI. It's not overloaded with extras, but everything you get is reliable, fast, and works well right out of the box. The touchscreen hub is the centerpiece, and it's incredibly easy to navigate, even if you're not tech savvy. Monitoring and plans. Cove offers 24/7 professional monitoring with a starting plan around $17.99 a month. That includes cellular backup, smart alerts, and even a lifetime equipment warranty, as long as you're subscribed. You also get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's low risk if you're trying it out for the first time. Mobile app. The Cove app is straightforward and lets you control everything remotely. Disarm your system, receive real-time alerts, and check device status. While it's not the flashiest app out there, it gets the job done reliably. Smart home compatibility. This is where Cove is a bit limited. While it does support Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, it doesn't have deep integration with a wide range of smart home devices like thermostats or smart locks. So if you're looking for full smart home control, it might fall a little short. Price and value. Cove strikes a great balance between affordability and reliability. There are no long-term contracts, and the monitoring is competitively priced. Equipment is leased or purchased up front, depending on your plan, but the costs are fair and flexible. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a no-fuss, budget-friendly security system that you can set up in under 30 minutes, Cove Home Security is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for apartments, small homes, or anyone who wants great protection without the high monthly bills or complicated setups. Let me know what you think of Cove in the comments. Is it a hit or a miss for your home?